Hi, this is Francis from A Plus Tutoring. In this session, I'm going to solve for number 10C in this same past final exam number 1. Okay, so I have this series. Now, wondering what is sine n here? What can I do with this? Well, I know that this, let's say this is an, right? So I know that this must be bigger or smaller, okay, in between minus 1 over n square root of n, 1 over n square root of n. So this an is in the middle, right? Because sine is in between minus 1 and 1, right? Because I know that sine of n must be in between minus 1 and 1. So that's why I end up with this value here. Now, if you take the absolute value of an, I would say that it must be smaller or equal to 1 over n square root of n. Now this part here, absolute of an, absolute value of an, must be smaller or equal to 1 over n to the power of 3/2. Now this is to check if it's absolutely convergence, because I'm taking the absolute value of this series. Now 1 over n to the 3/2, this, if you look at this, I'm going to look at the p series. If my p is bigger than 1, then that means it's converging. All right, so this part converges by p series. Okay, if the bigger one is converging by p series, the smaller one must be also converging, because this is direct comparison test. Therefore, absolute value of an converges by direct comparison test. All right, so I know that it's absolute value converging, so that means my series also converging, and it's converging absolutely, because if my absolute value of an converges, then my series converges. So therefore, series converges by direct comparison test. Okay, because of I use the squeeze theorem to show that it's actually smaller or equal to this function, and this function converges by p series, and therefore by direct comparison test, the bigger value, if it's converging, the small value must be also converging. So therefore, the series converges by direct comparison test. For more information about p-series, direct comparison tests, series that converging or diverging, please visit my website, go4aplus.com.